Hello everyone, welcome to infyGyan. Today we are going to solve one very interesting and challenging equation from algebra. Here we have to find all the real x. So let's get started by checking our equation at x equal to 0. I will find left hand side at x equal to 0. So 0 square plus 1 is 1 times 0 power 4 minus 4 times 0 square, that is 0, plus 1 is 1. So LHS will become 1 times 1, 1. Now we will find RHS at x equal to 0. 6 times 0 cube. 6 times 0, RHS will be 0. 1 cannot be equal to 0. So we'll write here x cannot be 0 for the given equation. Now we will divide both sides by x cube so that we can cancel x cube from the right hand side. And in left hand side we will divide our bracket x square plus 1 by x and second bracket x power 4 minus 4x square plus 1 by x square. X square over x is x plus 1 over x times x power 4 over x square is x square minus 4x square over x square is minus 4 plus 1 over x square equal to x cube will get over, we will write 6 only. This will be written as x plus 1 over x times x square plus 1 over x square minus 4 can be written as 2 minus 6 equal to 6. Now we know that x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 is x plus 1 over x whole square. So our equation will become x plus 1 over x times x plus 1 over x whole square minus 6 equal to 6. Now our substitution is obvious. Let us assume x plus 1 over x. Suppose u. So we will write our equation u times u square minus 6 equal to 6. By writing all the terms to one side, we will get u cube minus 6u minus 6 equal to 0. Now we are going to use another substitution. Let us assume a plus b equal to u or u equal to a plus b. So we will write our equation a plus b whole cube minus 6 times a plus b minus 6 equal to 0. Now we are going to use one algebraic identity, a plus b whole cube. This will be minus 3ab times a plus b minus a cube plus b cube. If we will expand a plus b whole cube, then we will get RHS 0. Now we are going to compare coefficients from both the equation. I am presuming it is a plus b variable equation. So we can write 6 equal to 3ab and we can write 6 equal to a cube plus b cube. Let me write here 3ab equal to 6 and second equation is a cube plus b cube equal to 6. Now we will divide first equation by 3 both sides. 6 over 3 is 2. 3 over 3 is 1. We will get AB equal to 2. And here we have A cube plus B cube equal to 6. I will be cubing first equation, AB equal to 2. So I will put power 3 over here, power 3 over here. Now we will have A cube times B cube equal to 2 cube is 8. Second equation is A cube plus B cube. This is equal to 6. So here we have A cube plus B cube. And here we have A cube times B cube. If we will think about one quadratic equation, suppose in variable t, whose roots are A cube and B cube, then we can write t square minus 6t plus 8 equal to 0. After factorization, we can easily write t minus 2 times t minus 4 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will get either t minus 2 equal to 0 or t minus 4 equal to 0. So we'll have t equal to 2, t equal to 4. Now t is a cube or b cube. So I am considering 2 equal to a cube. So I will write a cube equal to 2, b cube equal to 4. For real values of a and b, we will take cube root. A will become cube root of 2. B will become cube root of 4. Now we can easily find u, which is sum of both a plus b. A is cube root 2, b is cube root 4. U was our substitution. X plus 1 over x was u. So I will write x plus 1 over x equal to u. X cannot be 0. So we can easily multiply both sides by x. We will get one quadratic x square plus 1 equal to ux. By writing all the terms to one side, x square minus ux plus 1 equal to 0. Now we will use quadratic formula straight away. So we will get x in terms of u. So x will become minus b. So minus of minus u plus minus square root of minus u square is u square. Minus 4 times 1 times 4, it is 4 only. Over 2 times 1, it is 2. Now we have to plug in u equal to cube root 2 plus cube root 4. If we will apply both the values, I will get u value approximately 2.8473, which we are going to apply here to get the real values of x. So let me write x equal to u plus minus square root of u square minus 4 over 2, and u is 2.8473. Let's put all the values. We will get x equal to 2.8473 plus minus square root of 2.8473 whole square minus 4 over 2 will be equal to 2.8473 plus minus square root of 8.104 minus 4. I am writing here square root 4.104 over 2, which will be equal to 2.8473 plus minus 2.026 over 2. With plus sign, we are going to get 2.436 with minus sign in between, we will get 0.410. So we have two real x which will satisfy our equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.